Hello boys and girls, day 107. Finished the run. Legs hurt a lot. It's not enough even close to stop me, but I'm guessing the reason is that I don't do enough stretching. You know, as I said, it goes up and down. I do have a lot of energy. I feel pretty strong, and I'm really looking forward to the exercises. But the run, I can't find the mojo. Although, like 15-20 days ago, it was right on. I'm guessing I'm gonna go running looking for it. Let's do the exercises.
Let me go on a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
Finished for the day. Good workout. Was struggling to find the right tempo for the jumping rope for a little bit. Once I got into it, it was much better, but still was struggling at the beginning. Push-ups couldn't push, so to speak, as low as I would like to. Same with the squats. Sit-ups, not very happy with my performance in general. Still a decent effort, but today, you know, we'll see how it goes tomorrow, and we'll strive to do better tomorrow. Trained yesterday, trained today, we'll train tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye!